Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, it's going to be exciting because as you see, I am holding this beautiful kit from Charlotte Tilbury, and this is the Pillow Talk Dreams. It is a limited edition holiday kit. So I'm super excited to try this with you, and if you are excited to see what's inside, what look I'm going to create from this kit, then just keep on watching. Let's go ahead and start. I already apply a primer, and for the primer, I use the Charlotte Tilbury. This is her Magic Cream. I love this one, so you can use this as your primer. I already applied it in advance so that it has, time to soak in the skin and, just kind of prepare. So the next thing that I wanted to apply is this one right here, the Hollywood Flawless Filter. I've seen on her website that a lot of the brand is kind of, copying it, but she still thinks that this is the best, so we are going to use that today. So I just applied that, and now I'm just going to use a brush to pack this in and make sure that it's blended. Alright, so it is blended. Now I'm just gonna wait a little bit, maybe a few seconds, to let this soak in again. We don't want to have the product, just kind of sitting on our skin. The next one is my foundation, and of course I love this when it comes to Charlotte Tilbury foundation. This is my favorite one. Okay, I'm gonna be using 1.5 pump and applying just this on my finger first. Okay, I got the foundation. I'm gonna be using sponge to blend this. Alright, so the foundation is done, but I just wanted to mention something because I just realized, and you guys might get confused. So the foundation, the Hollywood filter, and the moisturizer so far that I use, it's not included from the kit. So I will make sure to let you know what is included, or I'm gonna show you once I open it. So before that, I'm also going to apply this PLUMPGASM. This is a Pillow Talk because it's my favorite. It hydrates so much, and it also plump your lips, and this specific shade is actually included on the kit. I just have the full size, and that's why I really love the kit as well, because this one is almost running out. So I wanted to get a new one. So I'm gonna be using the Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer, and oh my goodness, you guys, I broke this one. I think I dropped it and the glass broke. It's okay because it's just a little, tip of glass came off, but I can't close it properly. So that's the concealer. Now I'm gonna blend this. And set it with a powder. For the powder, I'm gonna be using the Laura Mercier because I don't have a loose powder from Charlotte Tilbury. Setting it right away with a powder because I don't want my concealer to crease. Alright guys, now is the time to open this kit. I did my brow and also prep my eyes because I'm so ready to apply the eyeshadow from here. And we are going to figure out, is this kit worth this much or... And here we go! Yeah. Wow, nice music. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to show you the two eyeshadow right here. I did sort of an unboxing of this product. It's just because it's massive and I really needed to do that. I was super excited. But yes, I'm gonna show you the two eyeshadow that comes on this one. It is of course in the shade Pillow Talk, the dark and the light. So it's right here. Look how gorgeous this one is. And it's so nice that it comes with dark, metallic, satin. You have some matte in here. So let's go ahead and apply this. So I have prepped my eyes with a soft ochre from MAC. I don't have any Charlotte Tilbury, so that should be fine. And also set it with a powder already. Now let's try and apply in the shade right here. I'm going to go with a matte finish on the bottom because I want to try it. It's just so pretty. Okay. So this is going to be my transition color. Alright you guys, so that is the first shade so far. You can already see the color. It's beautiful. No hard time blending. It's very flexible. And now I'm going to grab a second shade. So I'm gonna grab the darkest. Alright, you guys, so the second shade that I applied is the darkest. Now it's time to decide what shade I have to use onto my lid. So I think I'm going to be using this one right here. And don't you worry, I'm going to give you a close-up look and a swatch right after the eyeshadow, because I think that it is important for you guys to see. So I'm just trying to put this with my finger. Ooh, that is so nice. Okay. So now my eyes is full of glitter and shimmer. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and give you a close-up look and a swatch. So here is the first eyeshadow. This is the light shade. As you see, it comes with two matte. There's a satin and I think sort of a topper or metallic. I'm going to give you a swatch of this one as well. Beautiful shade. So here's the swatch from the top left to right. Okay, first shade. Second shade. Ooh, that one is hard to see on the skin. And then the bottom, left to right. It's right there. So it's more of a pink one. And then this is the last shade, the first eyeshadow that I applied. Okay, I hope you can see that. Now, here is a close-up look of the second palette. It's beautiful. From the top, left to right. There's that one. This is the second one. Bottom. Oh, that one's pretty. And then this is the darkest shade. Ooh. So that's all the swatch of the eyeshadow. I know they are very light, but that dark one is very good. So the eyeshadow is done. I think I'm pretty good with that. Up next is the eyeliner, and this one is from the kit as well. So this is the Pillow Talk eyeliner. Yeah, that's the shade, and I think this is full size. I'm gonna give you a swatch right there. Ooh, that looks really nice. I love that. Okay, let's apply this. Okay, so the eyeliner is done, and now let's go ahead and apply a mascara. I'm super excited because I'm a picky when it comes to mascara. There are a few products that works for me, but we're going to see if this one is good. So I'm going to curl my lashes for you guys quickly. Okay, so now let's try this mascara. This is the Push Up Lashes in the shade Super Black. So this comes from the kit as well. It is full size. And by the way, you guys, this is a beautiful packaging. Look at that. Okay, so that's the brush. It's silicone and it's small. So it says Push Up. Okay, so that is my lashes. Okay, so I made a mess here, and you know, just want to let you know, don't worry about that for now. It's still wet. You don't want to touch it. Touch it later when it's dry because it's easier to remove. So that is the lashes, and it's giving me some, you know, dimension and character in there, but I'm not sure if I'm going to put a lashes tonight. We're going to figure it out right after we try everything on this beautiful kit and figure out if it's worth it as well. So that is the first sort of drawer that I open, and it comes with the other ones right here. Eyes to Mesmerize. This is a Pillow Talk. I think this is a cream sort of eyeshadow. I'm not going to try that because we already have the eyeshadow on. Now I'm gonna open the second box. Here is the second drawer. This is really pretty. It comes with my favorite Pillow Talk PLUMPGASM, which is adorable. I really love it. It is not a full size though. Oh, it is full size. I thought it's not a full size. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, that's exciting. Okay, now I'm going to try. There's nothing in here that I need to try. Let's open the third box because I wanted to apply this ones right here, which is, I think a lot of them are full size. Wow, that is super awesome. I think it's a really good deal. So I want to try the Beauty Light Wand, the 2, and the blush as well. So I'm going to apply a bronzer, and this one is from Charlotte Tilbury. I have the Film Star bronzer, I believe, and the Scalp. So I'm just gonna apply it quickly for you. Okay, so I have done the bronzer and now it's time to apply some color on our cheeks. So this one is the Pillow Talk blush. Oh my goodness, you guys, I really love this shade. I think I'm gonna like it. I'm gonna give you a close-up look first. So that's how it looks like. It's so pretty. Look at that beautiful shade. It's my vibe. Okay, so this is super exciting. I'm gonna be using my favorite brush right here, and this is the Pillow Talk. Should I ruin it? Let's see how this looks. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. I love it. Wow. Okay, it's totally my vibe. You guys, so that is the blush, which is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love it. Now it's time to use one of these. I think I'm going to use the lighter shade. So this one is the Beauty Light one in Pillow Talk, but there is two shades, medium and light. So I'm going to use the light, but these are the two that comes with it. And we twist. Wait, twist and press. Whoop! There, something came out, and I'm just gonna put maybe to that. And what should I use to blend? Should I use my hand or my brush? Okay, I'm gonna use my hand. Because I've seen a lot of people use their hand, and see how this one gives the glow and illuminates the face. Oh, that's totally beautiful. That is so gorgeous. I'm going to use this one here. Okay. Yeah, that's really nice. So gorgeous. And let's just put it around the nose. It's really, really beautiful, and it's not sticky at all. I really like that. That's so nice. You guys can see that. I'm gonna give you a swatch in case you haven't seen it, but I'm sure you've seen. So that is what it is. It's just a light shade. I love that it's not sticky. I thought it would be sticky. It's more like a champagne color. So now I'm excited for the lip product, and this is what we've got here earlier. So we got a full-size PLUMPGASM. We have a full-size, this one is here. It doesn't have a name, but it just says Pillow Talk. I think this is a lip gloss, and I got another lip gloss right here, and a lipstick and a lip liner. So I got all of these ones, which is, oh my goodness, it's just so beautiful. Now I'm gonna use a lip liner to line my lips. First, let's remove that gloss and apply this. Okay, beautiful lip liner. And now I'm excited to apply the lipstick, which is, you know, you guys already know. I already own this, but mine is almost running out. And I like that I have a brand new one. Actually, I'm gonna save this one. So I'm going to use what I've got already. So this one right here. So Pillow Talk shade. That's so pretty. Of course, we already know. And now I'm excited to apply one of these gloss. I think I'm gonna try this little guy right here. It looks beautiful. Okay. Yeah, it's a Pillow Talk gloss. So alright, you guys, here is the final look of Pillow Talk Dream Collection Kit, and I love it. I love Pillow Talk, and here are all the products that comes with it. So let's do a recap. 2 eyeshadow, and I also got the cream one, and also a mascara and an eyeliner. I got lip products, so 2 lip gloss right here, 1 lip liner, 1 lip maximizer, or the lip PLUMPGASM, and also a lipstick. And also for the cheek, I get the 2 highlighters and the blush. It's a beautiful collection. I have some kind of different thought about this while I'm doing my makeup, and of course it's worth to mention it because if you are a beginner, if you love luxury, if you love Charlotte Tilbury, if you love Charlotte Tilbury, this kit is not cheap, okay? This is a freaking expensive kit, but because we are talking about high-end brand, luxury brand, beautiful packaging, beautiful everything, including this thing, which is I'm gonna be using as, you know, store my jewelry or whatever it is that I like it to be there because it is pretty, right? So it all comes to that, and the price, of course, it also, you know, we need to discuss about the price. So if you are, you know, if you are a beginner and if you're just starting and, you know, you like luxury and you love Charlotte Tilbury, it's a good investment, you guys. It is a very good investment. And the shade Pillow Talk, you know, if you don't have anything Pillow Talk, if you have no idea what is Pillow Talk, this is the OGs of the shades of the makeup right there, you know. It's Charlotte Tilbury luxury. You get a lot of products that is full size. I would say it is worth it because look at this. It's just so beautiful. You get a monochromatic look, and this universally flattering to everybody. But now, if you're a beginner and you just want to start with a little bit of here and there, you don't want to, you know, splurge on something that you're not sure of, do not get this kit because you might be disappointed, or you might want to grab a little bit from this brand, a little bit from that brand. But this kit is your best friend. You get everything, pretty much everything that you need, and it's so beautiful. So when it comes to luxury, Charlotte Tilbury, good makeup, good shade, it is worth it. And to me, it is worth it because even though I love Charlotte Tilbury and I have a lot of products from her, I still don't have this much Pillow Talk shade on my makeup, and that's why I got this one this time because it is such a dream. So now if you don't care about luxury, you don't care about Charlotte Tilbury, you don't need to get the kit, you know, just grab the most popular lipstick shade, the Pillow Talk, or if you want like the blush, it's enough, and try other brands, or you can get a different brand that you really like. But overall, this collection, this kit, I think it's totally worth it. And it will be more worth it if you can shop this holiday season. There's a lot of sale going on. I will put all the description down below and my code as well, so you can use my code on your first purchase. And if you want to purchase the kit, that's a great time to use that as well. So overall, a beautiful collection. Here is the final look. I really love it, and I think I'm so ready to just go out just like this. It's so nice. It's just so nice. It's so flattering. Thank you so much for watching this video. I know this is a long one, but it's totally worth it. So I hope that you had fun and you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and I will see you on my next one. Bye guys.